you can't do it on your phone. I don't know why. I'm doing it. This is taking longer than expected. Oh yeah, by the way, new hair. I think it's done. Yeah, I think it's done. So done it. Wait. Done it. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to give you an explanation, right? Hold on. So I can explain in one word why I cancel Netflix. One word. Distractions. It can be a distraction to you, or it can be like an advantage for you to watch movies and to actually learn skills from like filmmakers or like movies and whatsoever. But the thing is, you can watch movies from like different sources. And sometimes filmmakers don't really watch other films to like make their own films. They just go make films. It's like what Gary Vee said. He didn't actually consume content. He just looked at the comments. He didn't actually consume like podcasts, like people's podcasts. He just did his own. So the same thing applies to Netflix. Because when I first subscribed to Netflix, I think to myself that, oh, I can probably learn something from like the movies or like the TV series from Netflix. But in the end, I ended up binge watching like How I Met Your Mother, which is a very good series, I can say. So those days, those hours spent on watching Netflix, you could do much more. You could do a lot of things. Like I can shoot this video in 1 hour, and I can't do that if I'm watching Netflix, right? You can debate all you want. You can say that I can find time to like watch Netflix, but the thing is, I don't want to. Watching Netflix is like the same thing when it comes to like watching videos on YouTube, or like watching videos on Facebook, Instagram, scrolling through stuff on Facebook. These for me are distractions. If you're using those tools for business purposes, then I don't see that as like a distraction and stuff, because you're constantly analyzing what do people like or whatsoever. But if your attention is to just scroll through Instagram or Facebook just to get entertained, just to feel that you are up to date to like the trends or like the memes, that's not healthy at all, because you're not being productive, you're not doing anything, you're just scrolling through like the stuff on Instagram, on like social media. Granted that social media has been like a big part of my life, and then it helps me to connect with people and whatsoever, and that's my whole purpose of using social media. That's how I use social media. I use it to connect with people, I use it to know more new people that I can collaborate with, or I can work with, or even do business together, or even find jobs online. And that for me is the only reason why I'm still staying on social media, and I don't use it as a distraction for what I'm doing. And I just cannot find that on Netflix. I just cannot find that Netflix can be like a change for me. It gives me a lot of ideas, definitely. It gives me a lot of ideas for like my next video, or like how am I gonna shoot the next video or whatsoever. But in the end, it just makes me feel lazy. It just makes me feel drained after watching like a show or like a movie, especially a movie. But movies for me, I'd rather watch it in the cinema. I'd rather watch it in like a big screen than like on my small laptop in like this room. And after following the schedule January habit, like if you don't know what I said, that is my new series. I'm gonna try to do like a different habit every month just to see how it looks like. But it's good habits, not bad habits, okay? So for me to follow this schedule, it actually gives me a new perspective when it comes to like time management, when it comes to like appreciating time in general. Because there's just so many things that you can do in one day. If you like plan out your day, if you count the hours in the day, how you fill up the hours really matters. It's going to benefit you in the future. So that's my intent for all this January habit for cancelling Netflix. Cancelling Netflix is just the first step. There's still a lot of things to cancel. And not to say it saves out a lot of money for me. It's like 34 ringgit per month. And 34 ringgit, you can eat 2 meals like for a day. 2 McDonald's meals. McDonald's, bro. Or if you're eating out in a cafe, your meals are pretty much covered for that day, and that day has 24 hours, and 24 hours you can do a lot of things. I find it so amazing to wake up early in the morning and then just do stuff. Like for example, I'm shooting this video right now. It's at 6, and then the sun is not even out, and yeah, feeling better than ever. In 6 o'clock I could have watched Netflix, you know. But instead I choose those time to make this video, to write scripts, and then do some other stuff, and then do some other works. That's just amazing to see that the amount of time you spend on Netflix, you could have put that on like something else. You could have do something better to make a change in your life, to make your life better. And then when your life is better, when you're financially free or you're very productive, you still can go and subscribe to Netflix. Netflix is still there, but I'm not sure whether I do it if I wanted to. But for now, and hopefully in the future, I won't be watching Netflix anymore. If I want to watch movies, there's like different sources. And then most of the times I always end up watching YouTube videos, which gives me much more values. I mean, except for like those stupid YouTubers, like, and I'm wasting my time and stuff. But each and every one of the videos that I watch is either like my friends or like the people that I know, but mostly like the YouTubers that give me value, like Peter McKinnon, Maddie, or like Casey Neistat, and then tech reviewers like Marcus Browley, and like so many of them. So yeah, these are the guys that I look up to, and then they provide me value ever since I subscribed to them. And then one of them convinced me to wake up early in the morning to do stuff. It's not Casey Neistat, surprisingly. It's this guy called Matt Diavela. Can't really get his name right. I'm gonna post it out right now. So this guy, I got hooked to his videos the moment I watched his first video about minimalism, if I'm not mistaken. This is that feeling like the first time when I watched Casey or Peter's videos. I never thought that I would have that feeling again after watching their videos. But then this guy somehow convinced me to wake up early in the morning. And this is what I love about YouTube also. And again, I wouldn't actually discover them if I end up watching Netflix. So yeah, this is the video that I kinda bash about Netflix. I'm not saying that Netflix is a bad company, okay? Netflix is very good. It's like a new way for you to watch TV, but on your mobile devices or like on your laptop. But I'm just saying that it doesn't work for me. It just keeps me unproductive. So that's why I have to take the first step. I have to make a change. I have to cancel that subscription. I have to save that money. Because you know why? Because I want to work harder. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is not a fancy spancy B-roll type of video. I hope you can get something from this, and I hope that this can be applied in your life, like right now. After watching this video, go and do stuff, man. Give it a like, give it a comment, give it a dislike, share it to your friends, share it to those friends who are very addicted to watching Netflix, and then you think that they should do something about it with their life. This can be the video for them. Or maybe someone actually did it. I never actually did my research. So yeah, I have to do some other stuff now. Feels so good to wake up early in the morning, man. But this is just my second day of waking up early in the morning. But yeah, enjoy it. Probably gonna do all of these videos like early in the morning from now on. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and keep on and don't stop creating. Keep on and don't stop creating. Don't stop and keep on creating. Shame I forgot about my tagline. Don't stop and keep on creating. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay, see you guys.